close your eyes and take a deep, steady breath in. And exhale softly as you let go of the world outside of this moment. Let yourself be held by stillness. And now begin to imagine yourself standing at the entrance of a sacred Zen garden. And this is no ordinary place, and you can feel it right away. The air is cool and fragrant, with the scent of jasmine and sandalwood. A hush hangs in the air, as if time itself has slowed to a pause, as it allows you to step into another rhythm, a rhythm of ancient peace. Beneath your feet, the path is made of smooth, rounded stones, worn down by the footsteps of those who have walked here long before you. Zen masters, seekers, sages, all who have come here in devotion, in search of presence, of simplicity, of harmony. Around you, the garden unfurls like a living painting. Elegant trees with long, draping branches stretch toward the earth and dip gracefully into the pond beside you. Their leaves whisper softly in the breeze, swaying with a language older than thought. You pause on a delicately crafted bridge arched over the pond, where koi fish glide like golden brushstrokes in the water. The ripples from their movements shimmer with a frequency, as though peace itself was made visible, dancing in soft waves around you, in rhythm with your own breath. There is a beautiful stillness here, but it's not empty. No, it's full of presence. You feel it pulsating in the ground beneath you, and knowing that this place has always been here, waiting for you. You can let your senses open. Hear the wind chimes singing faintly in the distance. Feel the sunlight resting lightly on your skin. Smell the delicate incense drifting from a nearby shrine. You are completely safe here, held, witnessed, and deeply at ease. As you walk further into the garden, you notice a raked sand pit, Intricate and meditative patterns are carved into the earth. Circles within circles, lines, waves, stillness made visible. And you realize that each groove was made with intention. A silent prayer etched into the sand. Above you, beautiful birds native to these lands soar in wide circles, guardians of the sky. They move together with elegance and clarity, each wing beat a reminder that nothing needs to be forced. Presence is enough. And now, ahead of you, set quietly amidst the trees, is a Zen temple. Its wooden frame, carved with exquisite care, bears the touch of generations. The doors are open and you are welcome. And as you step inside, a hush greets you. The floor is smooth beneath your feet, cool and grounding. Inside, the temple holds no clutter, only space. Space to be. Soft cushions are arranged for sitting. Beautiful tapestries hang from the beams, woven with flowing symbol of peace and balance. A single candle flickers in the center. Its light is steady, golden, timeless. A large window opens out to the garden, letting in the sound of wind in the trees, the trickle of water, the breath of the earth. Here in this temple, you feel something settle. There is no need to try, no need to reach. You are not here to improve or fix. There is no gap between this moment and peace. You remember, I am harmonizing my emotions with my external circumstances to balance my life. You sit, and as you do, a gentle wisdom arises that life may not always be easy, but it can be met with grace. You sense the potential already within you to choose peace, to choose balance, to choose yourself. in this space of sacred reflection, a second truth floats into your awareness. I share loving kindness every day. This place, this temple, invites you to give, not out of depletion, but from the overflow of your own fullness. You imagine your kindness like light spilling from your heart, filling this space and beyond it. And you realize, as you give, you make space to receive. Now, breathe in the final wisdom offered to your soul in this sacred space. I am opening my heart to give and receive love, empowering all I am and all that I do. The beauty of this place, the grace of it, is that it reflects you. This garden, this temple, this stillness, all of it lives inside of you. When you're ready, you slowly rise and you thank this space in whatever way feels natural. You also thank yourself, the one who showed up, the one who chose devotion, and the one who came here to remember. As you walk slowly back across the bridge, the wind whispers through the trees again, but now it sounds like a song just for you. And when you return to the breath in your body, you bring with you the knowing that you can return here anytime. That this peace is not something you find, it's something you return to. Gently begin to bring movement back into your fingers, your shoulders, and your breath. Feel the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, open your eyes, bringing the harmony of this garden with you into the world.